Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will learn about card visual. A card visual in Power BI displays a single number or text, making it easy to highlight and understand key metrics or data points at a glance on your dashboard. So I have already added my dataset to the dashboard report, and now I will choose the card visual. Now I want to view the sales in this card visual. So I am going to select sales and put it in the fields option here. So this card visual is showing me the total number of my sales is 13 million. There are multiple options that you can choose from. Right now I want to see the sum of sales, but I can also see the average of sales, the minimum of sales, the maximum of sales, the variance, median and standard deviation of sales according to your customization criteria. Let's visualize the sales as the average. So I'm going to select the average option here. Now we can see that the average of my sales is 246.50. You can add multiple cards to your report according to your requirements. Now we will see the discount in the card visual. So I have taken another card visual, and now I am going to choose the discount column and put it in the field here. Now the total sum of my discount is 7.33k, but since I am viewing the average of sales, I will also view the average of discount. In the same procedure, I am going to select average instead of sum, and here you go. You can visualize the average of your discount in the dataset. You can add multiple cards in your Power BI report according to your requirements. That's how easy it was to create card visual. I hope you liked this video of mine, and I hope it was knowledgeable for you. I will see you in the next video.